In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I crossed $1,000 a day in profit online in my early 20s. Now I can show you all the proof, but some people are still gonna say it's photoshopped or whatever excuse makes them feel better about being a fucking brokey. Well, I'm sorry to say, but if that's your mindset, you're gonna stay a brokey forever, so get the hell off this video. It's not for you. But if you are ambitious, if you're stuck in school or a job you tolerate because it pays the bills, but deep down, you know you're destined for so much more, keep watching because you're about to discover exactly how I made thousands of dollars a day in profit step by step. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, before I show you what actually works, I need to explain why you're probably broke right now. And it's not your fault at the beginning. You've been lied to countless times. You've been told by society that you have to get a job, but you've also been sold these garbage business models that are designed to keep you stuck while someone else profits off your confusion. Let me break down why almost every popular business model you see pushed online is completely broken for beginners. They either need way too much money up front, they have profit margins so thin you could see right through them, they require you to spend thousands per month on paid ads just to break even at first, or they need you to have a massive audience before you make a single dollar. And that's why people stay stuck for years. They're grinding on the wrong models and ignoring the actual economics behind making money. Let me tell you about my own stupidity with dropshipping. I was 16 to 18 years old, watching YouTube videos on how to get rich online, how to make money with dropshipping. I'd be spying on competitors, scrolling through AliExpress for hours, trying to find the next winning product. I launched Shopify store after Shopify store. And I remember my first sale like it was yesterday. I made $50 selling a flat squeeze mop. Now I made $0 profit and I still thought I was Jeff Bezos somehow. I was jumping around my room thinking I cracked the code. Then I watched hundreds of dollars disappear in days in Facebook ads. One sale would get me hyped, then I'd lose it all plus more trying to get the next one. It was an emotional roller coaster that left me broke and confused. The profit margins are 5 to 20% on average, and with paid ads if you're lucky, you're even at 5%. Let me put that in perspective for you. You could do $10,000 in sales and keep only $500 to $2,000 before taxes. Then the government thinks it deserves to take its cut and you're basically left with nothing. Even if you lived in a country with no taxes or low taxes, you're still screwed because the real problem isn't taxes, it's the margins. That's why you see all these dropshipping kids flexing revenue screenshots, but they're still living with their parents. The back-end reality is brutal. You're working like a slave for pennies. Now let me speed run through the other models that don't work for beginners. You've probably heard of them before. Amazon FBA is even worse than dropshipping because now you're buying inventory up front and dealing with the same terrible margins, except you're also praying your product doesn't get stuck in a warehouse or returned or regulated out of existence. Affiliate marketing only works if you already have a huge audience or a massive ad budget to promote other people's products for a tiny commission. Print on demand is the exact same issue. Nobody's making real money with print on demand unless they already have millions of followers funneling traffic to their Redbubble store or whatever. I need you to understand that beginners are dramatically underestimating how difficult these models are and how much money or audience size you need before they're even viable. Then my favorite, there's the people telling you to start a paid community, a school community, or become an influencer. Communities and subscription models are great. They give you monthly recurring revenue. But they only work once you're already famous. You need thousands of people who already know you and trust you before anyone's paying monthly for access to you. And being an influencer isn't even a real business model. The truth is, most big creators are actually completely broke because likes and views don't equal money in the bank. You can have 1 million followers and still be making minimum wage if you don't know how to monetize. Fame should not be your starting point. Unless you already have it, then yeah, leverage it. But that shouldn't be the goal if you want to make money, because they're separate sometimes. And don't even get me started on traditional coaching where you're trading time for money. You might charge $100 an hour and feel like you're winning at first, but you hit a ceiling immediately. If you stop taking calls, you stop making money. You're basically just building yourself a job. It's not scalable, and it's definitely not aligned with the freedom that you actually want. So let me tell you the core insight that changed everything for me. Business is not about funnels and Facebook ads and complicated automations. Business is about solving painful problems for people and offering solutions they're already willing to pay for. That's it. Think about every single purchase you've ever made in your life. Fitness, relationships, making more money, buying a house, growing a business. You're never buying a product. You're often buying a solution to a problem that's causing pain. Once you understand that, everything clicks. So here's the motto I use instead, and it's the same business that took me from broke and stuck to making thousands of dollars per day. I sell high-ticket solutions through coaching and services. I help people solve painful problems and I charge accordingly. And here's why this model actually works. It offers between 65 to 98% profit margins. 65% is when you're running ads and you're at least making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. There's almost zero overhead. You only need a handful of clients to hit $10,000 to $100,000 a month. Instead of needing hundreds of customers or thousands of customers buying $20 products like with dropshipping or some shitty ChatGPT ebooks you made, you only need 1 to 10 clients a month with high-ticket services or coaching, because each one is worth, again, $1,000 to $10,000 or even way more, depending on what you're selling. Just do the math. 10 clients at $2,000 each is $20,000 a month. That's $600 a day right there, and you're only working with 10 people. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have a degree. I'm not certified. I don't have any experience. I'm not qualified. Let me destroy those limiting beliefs right now. My clients are making money without degrees. I've got fitness coaches who aren't certified trainers, and they make more money than certified trainers. Relationship coaches who just have personal experience and learned what works. Business coaches who figured things out through trial and error and failing a bunch. And here's the best part. Most qualified people with all the certifications and fancy letters after their name don't even get their clients' results. And they're broke because they don't know how to sell themselves since they're not business owners. Certifications don't matter. The skill behind the certification matters. What matters is your ability to solve someone's problem and get them from point A to point B. That's it. And if you don't know how, you fucking figure it out, or you stay poor. If a 12-year-old with no degrees came up with the cure for cancer, they would be the richest, most respected person on the planet, with or without a degree. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let me break down the actual system I use to make thousands of dollars a day in profit online, because it's stupidly simple. We've got 3 parts: traffic, calls, delivery. That's it. Traffic means gaining attention from potential customers. I do this through outreach, ads, and social media content. I send messages to my leads, I post videos, I run ads to my niche. I get in front of people who've got the problem I can solve. Then we get on a call instead of a sales page, because calls convert at 20 to 50%, while a sales page converts like 0.2% if you're lucky. There's a massive difference. On a call, you can actually understand someone's situation, show them how you can help, and close them on the spot. Then there's delivery. You fulfill through one-on-one coaching, group coaching, done-for-you services, or you hire contractors to help you scale. This system lets you scale without working 24/7 and burning out. Look, the truth is, I stayed stuck for over a year, making almost no money because I tried to do everything by myself. I thought I could figure it out alone. I was too cheap and too proud to invest in help. Then I finally invested in a mentor who had already done what I wanted to do, and my results exploded. I increased my income by over 24,000%. Yes, you heard that right, 24,000%. That was the turning point. I went from barely making anything to consistent 4- and 5-figure months because I stopped trying to reinvent the wheel and just followed someone who already knew what to do. So here's what I need you to understand. If you're watching this video and you're still broke, still stuck, still trying to make dropshipping or affiliate marketing or whatever other low margin model work, you are on the wrong path. No wonder why you're losing. No wonder why you're still broke. I'm not saying this to discourage you or to crush your dreams. It's quite the opposite actually. I'm telling you this because I wasted years doing the same thing and I don't want you to waste your time and your money on the wrong things. The people making real money online aren't selling $20 products to some random people. They're solving expensive problems for people who are desperate for help. They're getting paid what the solution is actually worth, thousands of dollars, and they're doing it with a simple system that doesn't require a huge audience or a massive ad budget at the very start. So if you want to copy exactly what I do, here's your framework. Pick one painful problem you can solve. It could be fitness, relationships, making money, growing a business, whatever. Then start reaching out to people who have that problem and offering to help them solve it. Get on calls, close them, deliver results. This isn't rocket science. It's just business. And if you want my help building this for yourself, click the link in the description below, book a call and let's talk. I only work with people who are serious. So if you're ready to actually change your life, book the call. If you're just gonna sit there and tell yourself you're not ready or it won't work for you or there's whatever excuse you have in your head, then honestly just close the video. Keep doing what you're doing, but don't complain when nothing fucking changes.